Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are here for the first time, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like and share the video. Okay, so today what we're going to discuss is how we are going to list our first product on Amazon. Okay, so the way we have to start that is, obviously there are a couple of ways that we can list our products. Obviously, first of all, you have to identify a product that you want to list, and then all you have to do is just go to your Amazon Seller Central. Once you're in the Amazon Seller Central, you have got a few options over here, like two ways to list your products. The first way to list your product is obviously go to catalog and add products, and the second one is if you just go down on inventory and then go to add a product. Both of them are exactly the same way, so we're just going to start with the first one. So if you just go to add a product, you will come onto this page where it says find your products in Amazon catalog. Okay, so once you have identified your product, you can just type in over here the UPC, EAN, or even the product name, and it will come up. I have identified this book that I have got, which I'm going to be putting online, like on Amazon. So what you need is this UPC code here, which is at the back of every product that we have here. So what we are going to do is we'll just simply type in the number, the barcode, and 196-877 and search. There you go. So this is exactly the same book that I have, that I would like to do the listing of. So we just go here. So here basically just tells you the EAN, ISBN, the title, and how many people are offering the book, and what is the sale rank. Sale rank 63,000 is really a good sale rank, to be honest. Anything under 100,000 means that the lower the sale rank, the better it is, because it gives you an indication of how well the product is selling on Amazon. Okay, so once you've looked at all these things, they're all correct. So what you do is select a condition here, whether it's a new, collectible, or used, but obviously we are going to list it as a new product. So we just go on to new and sell this product. So now it's going to load up the basic information. Like all the information is already there in the listing. So if you visit this listing on Amazon here, you can see the barcodes, the details, the product descriptions, and everything else is already preloaded. So the book language, who's publishing it, how many pages, dimensions, and seller ranking and reviews, everything is already loaded for you. All you have to do is just give your seller SKU, your price, your quantity, condition, and who's going to ship it. Are you going to ship it yourself, or Amazon is going to ship it for you? If Amazon is going to ship it for you, then you have to obviously label it and send it to Amazon, but that is a completely different topic, which I will cover in the later videos. But for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is just give it a seller SKU. Seller SKU is basically something that you can remember, which you can relate to this product. So this is everything you need to know about science. One big fat note. So we can just say one big fat notebook dash any random number. I sometimes just put the date, so I know when I listed the product, and then the price on Amazon, for example, for the new one is $9.64. You try to be competitive, but you have to at the same time make sure that you are profitable, because there's no point whatsoever selling on loss. So let's, for this sake of video, just put it for £9.62. Quantity, just let's leave it to 1, or how many ever you have, 2, 3, 5, 10, or whatever. And then the condition over here, let's select it to new, and yeah, that's about it. And if you want to see like the advanced view, you can just click over here. It will give you more options that you can fill up, like the country of origin, release date, but obviously these things are already pre-filled in the actual listing. These are more relevant if you are doing a private label product but for this product we should just leave it as it is. So let's just leave it as it is. So that's the price, that's this. All you do is save and finish, and there you go, your product is listed. It's that simple. So it will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the product to be loaded, and once it's loaded, it will be available on Amazon. So once you have listed your product, you can just go to inventory and manage inventory. Over here you can see all the products that are listed. Here's our book that we listed just now, one big fat book. The product as ASIN is here, date created, how many are available, what's the price. If you want to offer a business price, so you can give it to business customers, always just I keep it a couple of p's less, and that's it. And if you want to edit it, you can go into here, edit or manage images, but you don't have to do that because this is already pre-loaded listing. So you can check it if you go on here, you go to 16 new, and you can see if your offer is available over here. So let's go. There you go, the very first one, EV4. That's my offer that I'm offering, and yeah, as simple as that. Hope you have found value in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like my videos. So yeah, it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.